Hello everyone, I'm Marcus from MyLocks News, your reliable source for cryptocurrency news and analysis. Are you ready to dive into the intricate world of Bitcoin and its current market trends? Have you ever wondered how the bulls are fighting for the 31,000 level in the Bitcoin market? Did you know that the cryptocurrency market never sleeps, and even on bank holidays, there's movement to be observed? In this video, we'll be exploring the current pattern of Bitcoin, specifically an ascending wedge pattern that's been forming. We'll discuss its implications, the relevance of Fibonacci levels in this context, and what potential movements we might expect. By the end of this video, you'll have a deeper understanding of the current Bitcoin market trends and be better equipped to navigate your cryptocurrency journey. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more insightful analysis. Let's dive in. Bitcoin, the cryptocurrency that's on everyone's lips. Right now, the bulls are fighting for the 31,000 level. As you know, the cryptocurrency market never sleeps. But today, with the stock market closed in the US, due to the bank holiday, we naturally expected little movement. That forecast seems to be working out today. Although cryptocurrencies can always surprise us, you can't expect big moves on a day like this. Now, let's talk about the current pattern of Bitcoin. We're observing an ascending wedge pattern. It's quite well defined. At least we have 2 touch points up there and 3 touch points down here. Always keep in mind that when you have too many touch points, it becomes a bit too obvious. But this is just an idea because in a final diagonal, which this could be to make sense of the lower degree wave count here, you often see these channels or wedge patterns. They are often a signal for diagonals. Fibonacci levels and extensions don't adhere as well in diagonals, but diagonals tend to follow these trend lines, at least quite frequently. I wouldn't interpret a break of the trend line as a definitive confirmation, but it's still a signal. It's still an indication. For example, if that break to the downside occurs here from the trend line, it's at least a sign of weakness. But we wouldn't have broken out of the range. We wouldn't have a downward impulse. It would take a bit more. It's just a first signal that things might be changing and that it might be worth watching. The levels I gave you in the previous video are still relevant. Ideally, I'd like to see one more high in the 32,000 region. The reason is that I still believe that, looking at this entire structure that started on June 2015, one more high would look better. With one more high, we would have 5 nice waves up. If you're enjoying this analysis, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. It could be an impulse, but it would need that one more high. It doesn't necessarily need that one more high. We talked about that before. It already made a higher high here on June 2023, and that gives it theoretically 5 waves up from the low, as you can see here. It's not a very healthy wave. It's valid. Yes, it's okay, and wave 5 is okay too. It's just a bit short. It looks a bit more like a 3-wave structure. That's all for today's analysis. I'm Marcus from MyLocks News, and I hope you found this deep dive into Bitcoin's current market trends insightful. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, please give it a like, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more in-depth cryptocurrency analysis. Your likes, subscriptions, and comments fuel our work and help us create more content for you. We'd love to hear your thoughts on Bitcoin's market trends, so please leave a comment below. Your engagement helps us understand what you're interested in and allows us to create content that better serves your needs. Stay tuned for our next video where we'll continue to explore the exciting world of cryptocurrencies. Until then, keep learning, stay invested, and see you next time on MyLocks News.